Hello everyone, I'm Xiansheng Math, and this is part 2 of dividing fractions. We saw in part 1 that if we're dividing 3 divided by 1/4, we're asking the question, how many 1/4ths are there in 3? And we saw that the answer was 12. One way to look at it here 4/4, that's 1 whole. Another 4/4, that's 2. Another 4/4, that's 3. So we see 4, 8, 12 fourths are in 3. So 3 divided by 1/4 is 12. Well, what if the numerator is not 1? So what if we ask the question, what's 3 divided by 3/4? Or how many 3/4 are there in 3? Well, we can look at it here. How many 3/4 are there? Well, there are 3/4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 3/4 are there in 3? Well, there are 4. So 3 divided by 3/4 is 4. We'll look at this here, and then we'll look a little bit at the y's. What's really going on here? Well, in this picture we have, let's say, 3 pizzas, and each person's going to get 3/4 of a pizza. How many people are going to be able to eat? Well, one person gets 3/4. Another person gets 3/4. Another one's going to get 3/4, and looks like one last person will get 3/4. So how many people got 3/4 of a pizza? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what's going on here? Well, if we're doing 3 divided by 3/4, we ask the question. First, we could just ask, well, how many fourths are in 3? And we get that by multiplying 3. I need a dark color here. By multiplying 3 by 4, because there are 4/4 in each whole. So we go 3 times 4. But we're not asking how many fourths are there in 3. We're asking how many 3/4. So we have to divide this 3 times 4, which is 12/4, into groups of 3. So we have to divide this value by 3. So what we're really doing is we have 3 wholes, and we're multiplying by 4/3, which is the reciprocal of 3/4, and we get 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3/3. And 12/3 is equal to 4. Okay, so that's what's going on. Hopefully the pictures are helping explain. And we see that we multiply our original number by its reciprocal, and that gives us the value. Let's take another look at that with 4 divided by 2/6. So what is that asking? Well, it's asking the question, how many 2/6 are there in 4? Well, here we see, let's say, 4 pizzas again, and each one's divided into 2/6. And let's say this time each person's going to get 2/6 of a pizza. How many people will be able to eat 2/6 of a pizza? Well, let's first of all think about how many sixths do we have? Each whole has 6/6, so 4 wholes has 24/6. But we're not trying to see how many sixths are in 4, but how many 2/6 are. So there are 24/6, but we're going to be dividing them into groups of 2. So where did the 24 come from? 4 times 6. That's how many sixths we have, but we have to divide it into groups of 2, so we have to divide this number by 2. So what we're doing here really is we're multiplying 4 times 6 halves, which is the reciprocal of 2 sixths. Okay, and we'll get 24 over 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So this will equal 12. And let's see in the picture. So 4 divided by 2 sixths, we have 24 sixths because each whole has 6 sixths. And we're dividing it into, we're dividing these 24 sixths into groups of 2. So there's a 2 sixths. 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 There's another one. Another one here. Another one here. And one last 2 sixths. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what are we doing? Well, we're multiplying the whole number we have by the denominator, and that tells us how many sixths or fourths we have in this case. And then we want groups of 2 sixths, not 1 sixth, so we have to divide by 2. So what we're doing when we're dividing fractions is we're really multiplying by the reciprocal of our divisor, and hopefully these pictures help you to see that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and learned from it, please press like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you.